Welcome back to another video. So hi guys, today video I am going to share with you emergency kit for every girls. This video is something that you need everywhere whenever you go with your relatives or your friends. So without any further ado, let's get started the video. Now the first thing that you need is purse to store all the items in it. So the next thing is that you need is mask and hand sanitizer, and this is very important thing. The next is bandage or medicines. Now this is again very important thing. Next is lip balm or lipstick, which is need because your kit is incomplete without a lip balm or lipstick. Next thing that will be need is mini size perfume. This is a travel size small perfume, so must have product. Next is some money. Now every doing is getting digital life, but nothing is better than to keep a little amount of money with you. Next is some hair ties. Next is a comb. If you have having a long day and you need to kind of then down, then your hair then must have a comb with you. Next is something very important. They are sanitary napkins. This thing is must carry. Make sure you have them. Next is very important thing is kajal. It's also optional thing. Next is again very important toilet sanitizer, because public washroom in India are very big messy, so this is very important thing. Next is safety pins, because in case your vaccine is not working, something other happens, must have and mention this product. Next is scarf or stole. So these are the things that you need. Hope this video will be helpful for you, and thanks for watching my video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates.